What you guys, got another video here for you. In this one we're going to be creating a system image backup inside Windows 10. Now we're going to be using a free program that you can use from AOMEI Backupper. It's a free download here. It's about 70 megs in size. Once you download that, you'll get it to your desktop here. This is where I've got mine stored, and I'm going to install this on my system. So once we've got this on there, you may see this Windows protected your PC. This is okay. It's because Smart Screen is on, and what we're going to do is because it's an unknown publisher, and it's fine and safe to use. So we're going to run anyway and install this. So say yes to the user account control. Click OK here for your language, and then we're just going to go ahead and quickly install this on the system. Okay, that's now finished and installed. Now ideally you want to store all your backups on an external drive or a NAS drive or something like that, or on a network drive, something that's away from this computer, so you've always got a system image backup. Now what I'm going to do is make a partition, and this is going to be the same partition as the hard drive. It's not ideal, but I want to show you how to do that as well, just in case you wanted to do this. So let me just show you how to quickly create a partition. So we're going to right click on the start button here, and we're going to come down to disk management, and here we have our C drive. On our C drive you can see it's just one drive here. We're going to right click on this and shrink volume. And as you can see here, the size of it is what you want to make it. So for instance, we're just going to make this, say, 20 gigs. It's just a virtual machine, but yours will have a bigger drive than this. And you can see it here now, 19.53 gigabytes. I'm going to right click on this and create a simple volume. And we're going to call this backup images. Going to perform a quick format. Now ideally, as I said, you don't really want to do this on the same drive, because if the drive fails you will lose all your backups. This is the reason why we don't have images on the same drive. But if you did want to do it and you're okay with that, then this is how you would go about doing that. Okay, so that's now been formatted. So let's open up our program. Say yes to the user account control, and you can see here it's telling us we don't have a backup created. Well, that's okay. I'm going to hit the backup tab here, and we're just going to back up the system image, so it's only going to back up Windows. I'm going to hit system backup, and you can see here it's asking us to back up the system reserved area and also the C drive. So if you had other drives in there or anything like that, it will just ignore those and just concentrate on backing up the system drive, which is your C drive and your system reserve. So what we're going to do next is select a location for our destination path, and you can see it says C here on here, but we can change this. So we're going to just change it to our images backup path here. So I'm going to click open, and you can see now this is going to our D drive. Now ideally this would be great if it was a separate drive, and that's what you really want. So if you've got two drives, select the second drive and put it in there. Just for this tutorial I'm showing you on one drive. Okay, so now we have backup options on here. You can see we can enable encryption for backups, we can enable email notification. Compression is normal, but you can set this to more if you want to compress that a little bit more. You can split it, and we're just going to leave everything else as is. And you can schedule a backup also. So if you want to schedule a backup so it will run at certain times of the day and constantly update that image, you can do that also inside here. We're not going to set this up today, we're just going to leave it as is. But you can see here incremental backups, full backup, and differential backups. If you want to know what these are, you can click on the information here and it will tell you what they are and what they do. So we're just going to leave it like that, and then click start backup. this is now going to start the backup and put it over to our D drive. Now I would advise you to do this, check backup integrity on completion. This is a must do if you want to make sure that that image is of good standing, so whenever you come to use it again, you know that it's a good image and it's all working okay. So we're just going to leave this as is, and then we're going to come back to this when it's complete. So our system image is now being completed, and as you can see here, backup to, and it gives us the location here. We can click on this and it will take us to our system image. This is all our Windows operating system and everything else on there, and all we need to do is, if we want to restore that, we can use the same program to restore that image if we've had problems with a computer. But what we're going to do here is finish this, but to restore it you would just come in here and click on this and then click next and restore that image. It's very simple and easy to do. If you want to see this part, then let me know and I'll do this part for you, but it's pretty straightforward. But that's basically how you can make a system image using AOMEI Backupper. This is the free version that you can download for free, and it's pretty easy and straightforward to do, much easier than the Windows built-in Windows version. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this one up, so I hope you enjoyed it. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. If you enjoy these videos, guys, then hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up to date and be notified when I upload new videos. If you've got any video requests or any problems with your computers or anything like that, you can head over to our forums and join the community over there. Or if you want to join my Facebook fan page, the information's on the screen right now. So thanks again for watching, guys, and thanks for your continued support. Bye for now.